Hey Angel, this is Dora. This is the video I was talking about this morning. I appreciate your taking the time to watch this for me. So anyway, I'm just going to get started really quick. I'm going to show you a few ways that you can get more out of your website, and these are things that you should be able to do yourself. So first, I just did a handyman search in Reno. And first of all, what's important that comes up is this map pack. And the reason that it's important is because most people will click on one of these businesses when they're looking for something. And it's just because it's fast, it's easy, it's right in front of us. And we as human beings, that's just the way we like things. We just like to be able to click and go. So anyway, you can get into this map pack too. You just need to make sure that you have a Google business page and just make it sure that it's completely filled out and it's optimized. And then get as many citations as you possibly can. So that just means to put the information like the name of your business, phone number, address, everything that you put on your Google business page, and put that into as many directories as you can. And that will help you to get into this map pack so that you can pull a little bit more business through. These are all directories right here, just as an example. Angie's, Yelp, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, White Pages, all these different places you can put your information, and that's going to help you get into that map pack. So if we would also ideally like businesses to rank #1 here in the organic search results. And I'm just going to go over your competitor a little bit too, just so you can see what I'm talking about. So here's your website. I think it's great that you do cleaning and handyman. I did just happen to look at handyman right now, but could definitely look at cleaning as well. So you've got some great pictures on here. It scrolls nicely. The one thing I would recommend would be to have more content on here. And I only say that because when Google searches your site, they send out their crawlers and they read the site, but they don't just check to see if you have relevant information. They also count how many words you have. So you need about 1,500 words of content in order to rank on the first page of Google and to stay there. So that's one thing that you can do that will help you to move up, and it doesn't take a long time to do it. Your competitor is Handyman, Handy Green in Reno. And as you can see, I mean, their site, it does have a little more content, but not much. So it wouldn't be hard to overtake them as far as content goes. It would be a step in the right direction for overcoming them and being able to be #1 on Google. There are a couple of other things that you'll want to look at, and now here's one of them. So this is Ahrefs, this program, and right now your domain rating, which is the power of your site, is a 0.1, and the trust, the UR of your site with Google, is a 0.8. So these numbers will come up as you're able to add some backlinks and referring domains. So a backlink just means that somebody else has left a link to your business on whatever they're posting. It could be a Facebook post or a blog, or it could be an Instagram post or another business on their website. So if you work with another business, you guys can share those links and that sort of thing, and it will help you. Let me just look at your backlinks. Oh, that's great. You have one of them that's pretty high, a 90. So as you can see, backlinks have their own domain rating and URL rating. So if you can go out and get some of these 90s and, like anything, 40, 50, just higher than what you have, that's going to help you to rank up. And I'm going to show you in just a second how you can do that. And this is great. You've got 17 keywords that you're ranking for. You're not pulling business in yet. But if you add that content to your site and use the keywords, it's going to help you move up. And that way you're going to be able to get some traffic from some of these things. So, if you do painting, interior painting, 150 people look for that every month. If you could rank in the top 3 on this one, or even top 5, you would probably pull in some business from it. So cleaning and handyman services, 40 people look for that. So there are people looking for exactly what you do. Kitchen remodeling, 200 people. If you could get those keywords onto your site and get them utilized, it's going to help you to pull in some business from these. And you can also get more keywords, and I'm going to show you that as well. So this is your competition. Their domain rating is 19. Their UR rating is 1.3. There's a pretty big gap between those. Usually Google likes more of a 1-to-1 ratio, but those can come up too as they go. So they have 79 backlinks. So I am just going to look at them. All right. So you can use programs. I mean, you can use Ahrefs too. It does get a little spendy though. But there are other programs out there that you can use to find backlinks of your competitors. And then you can just go through and all these high ones, all the way down to, 50s, whatever they might have, 40s, and you can just click on each one of them and you can put your information in or request it to be added, and then you will be able to use that backlink as well. And you can do that for all of your competitors. So eventually you've got their backlinks, and maybe you've got another guy down the street's backlinks and your own backlinks. So that's going to make you move up in Google because you have more power. You have more backlinks and you're going to take the powerful ones. So that's going to jump you right up there. And then keywords. They do have 214 keywords. So they're pulling in 50 people that are reaching out to them every month. So one thing to look at is to see if you want to use some of these words on your website to see if you can start ranking. So like 250 people look for a handyman, Reno. Reno Handyman Services, 70 people. If you do glass door, glass entrance door repair, 50 people look for that. 200 look for people to paint in Reno. So, I mean, there are a lot of people that are looking for just what you provide. And if you just utilize these keywords, it's going to help you to rank above your competitors and pull in some of that business for yourself. So anyway, I'm hoping that this was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback. So I will reach out to you. Let's see, you said on the 20th. So next week I'll reach out to you. So have a great evening. Thanks.